is authorized and regulated to deliver this service. So we have AUDCHF is what's showing here. That's the last one to trade, last one to go through. Let's go through the beginning. I'll try and rifle through them all, see where we are in the pattern. So USD CAD, where are we? We're still at the lows of consolidation 2, let's say. This is consolidation 1, this is consolidation 2, and we have 3 cycles. So we have at the bottom and we have the top, and in between the top and the bottom there's 2 cycles. So this is the first, this is the second. We're expecting a high, and we know that because the previous high is up here as well. So huge potential. If you have a look here, you've got the harmonic move. This harmonic move is the same as this harmonic move, it's the same as this harmonic move. So that's certainly one harmonic move. There's another harmonic move here, this little one. Just so you can see it a bit clearer, I'll do it in red. But these are the DNA of the market. You need to be able to use these tools to your own advantage, because once you are able to master what moves the market can throw at you, it gives you much better trading odds. So let's see if that's made that any different. Chart indicator list. So I'm just trying to make it better contrast. Not really. Anyway, you can see it closer up that this red move here is equal to that red move there. So that's the harmonic move. It's an ABC also. Notice on the way down that we had this 1, 2, 3, and then notice we had within 2, 1, 2, 3 to make 2, 1, 2, 3 to make 3. Things finished after 3, and we're pushing away. We've done push 1, push 2, and there should be 3 to come tomorrow. Really nice setup. Is there any sequence for us? Let's see. Don't believe there's any sequence for us to get stuck into. No, pass. But we're long anyway. CHF JPY, not interested. It's just pushing higher. For me, the pattern's complete. You can see 2 levels of consolidation between a high and a low. Pass. There's a DJPY, have been stalking this. Again, I can see 2 levels of consolidation between a low, and I'm waiting for the high. This is high, high, and high, low. This is not consolidation at the moment. And I'm simply waiting for price to... This is really quite interesting here. Could have bought this today. This is a really bullish pattern. So I'm writing that down into DJPY. All right. Price goes up here and closes, we're long. Really nice. Eureaka still messing around in the middle of consolidation 1 on the way up. Notice the yellow harmonic move there. It's the same here. This pullback, it wouldn't surprise me if it gives us some more. There's not much to get too excited about on this one. Just generally in the middle of the zone, that's 50-50 trading. ADJPY. This one is, you can see the high and the low, 2 consolidations between. So this is all chopping around at the high. I would be doubtful if this does make new highs, although NZDJPY is. However, notice this previous lower high has been taken out, and we're following it up with structure, new highs, new high lows, internal change. Another one that could be interesting long tomorrow, we shall see. QBPCHF, we bought this on Friday. It hasn't done anything, but it's completed a big ABCD pattern in yellow. They are the things to look at to help you, guide you. We've completed 3 harmonic moves lower. Have a look at them. There's the first in yellow, there's the second, and there's the third, and that means that brings us into an exhaustion point. You can even buy blindly here and have a stop loss big enough to take that move. I expect this to be anchored, as in price come back, but at the same time, when you have a 3 that's harmonic lower, there could be an explosion higher. AEDNZD, fighting. Let's see what it looks like on the big picture. For this particular pattern, I see it as being in the first level of consolidation lower. It's just sort of coming to a compression point at the minute. Notice the 1, 2 between the high and the low. And between this high and this low, you've also got the 1, 2, but this is another bigger pattern. It's all about fractal. USD-CHF, long. You can see the 3 levels, 1, 2, and 3. You can see it here, 1, 2, 3. We're waiting for potentially a double bottom, but I do believe that this is a bullish pattern ultimately, and we should see it accelerate away. No real trades were in it already. NZD, USD, another one that does have the pattern 1, 2, 3 to the low. We've pushed up, which did look like level 1 rise. This could still be a level 1 moving into level 2 consolidation. And if it is, we are looking at high highs and high low structure, high high, high low, high high, high low, high high, high low. It makes it difficult to know. Obviously, I expect some sort of tap of the high again, but I just don't like buying down to trend too much. This feels counter. This does feel a bit countery. And if it shows, I'll take it, but for now it's not showing anything apart from lower highs and lower lows. At JPY, again, I can see two consolidations between a high and a low pass. USD JPY, same thing, 1, 2, high and a low pass. CAD CHF, humongous ABCD on the weekly. Got to be taken seriously. This is a multi-decade pattern if you can get in and get price moving in your favor. Probably will do at some point. TBP AUD, second cycle higher, expecting higher prices. This guy has been waiting on some sort of an ABCD, A, B equals CD. At the minute, it's low lows and low highs, so we pass. GBP USD, we have been long, we were long here, missed out on this. It's still looking for higher prices, let me say, on a high time frame. Higher time frame, high highs and high lows seem to have broken the 800. We have the W first zone. I just don't like the look at this. I don't like these three highs and putting away. It's just not my cup of tea, so pass on that. Now here's the beauty. We took this today. We had a really nice trade off it. I think we got TP1, 50 pips. Bit of a sniper. May not have quite finished yet its pattern. This red line is the harmonic move from here. And other areas on the chart, we're in the second zone higher, expecting higher prices. It was an early entry. It was easy for me to see the entry. What did I see? I've forgotten already. Let's tell you what I saw. So I knew where we are in the pattern, and then I started seeing 1, 2. I knew it would give me a 3, and look in between here, 1, 2, bang, in, long, see you later. And the beauty, Euro CHF, battling away at the peak. This is 3 years of drop. We're expecting higher prices. Price shouldn't go much lower than this, albeit the previous lows down here. There might be a flush out event, but I can see the consolidations between the high and the low. Just moving on to the last one now. ADCAD, one of my favorites. This is really quite an easy one on the eye. 1, 2. Hasn't really given us a clear 3 yet because everything's still touching. We're playing for the 3. Notice this W, 1, 2, 3, trapped false, expecting higher prices. Is it anything for us to get our teeth stuck into? Not just yet. It needs to develop more fast. Euro GBP, attempting a move higher. This is the lows of the second zone, so we're expecting higher. There's 1, 2, expecting third. Gold, we're in it last week. This is a really nice setup. 1, 2, expecting the 3. It's all a bit bunched up as well at the moment. Not gonna. 1, 2, 1, 2 should have been long here. 3, really nice. The AUD USD just escapes my clutches, but this one is a beauty. Absolutely stunning where we are in the pattern. That's 1. This is 2. I'm expecting 3 below. ABCD, A, B equals CD. Harmonic move, but this one's extended to 127 off this little one here. 1, 2, 3 up counter trend. Expect a retest and a drop. TPP JPY, that's a peak pass. Euro NZD, this is the second cycle high. So we're looking for longs like we did on Euro AUD. Euro USD, we're also looking for longs. This is creating highs and lows. Higher highs, higher lows. Don't like this. I can see 1, 2, 3 candles down, but it might be 1, 2, 3 into consolidation for a 1, 2, 3 consolidate, 1, 2, 3 consolidate. Euro JPY, peak, AUD-CHF, the ultimate trickster. Although you can see a high and a low with 1, 2, 3 in it. This could be part of this trend. Well, it is part of this trend. So you have 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 to the low. I'm seeing this consolidation as a 1, 2, and I expect a third to be here. So there we have it. I hope you enjoy the content. If you have any questions, please reach out, and I wish you all the best.